Alright, so this is why Homestead, episode number 2. It's a matter of life and death. What do I mean by that? Well, it's a matter of life and death for all of us. For us humans and animals, it's a matter of life and death. Some of the proudest times we've had on the farm is this right here. I mean, look at them little babies. You just can't get no cuter than that. I mean, that's some of the proudest times we have on the farm. It's a matter of life. Matters of death, of course, come the other day. We just lost our breeding duck. She was the mama of the breeding ducks, our khaki Campbell ducks. Great ducks. And we love them to death. And unfortunately, she had a prolapse and we lost her. But you see how tame my animals are? They're walking right up to me. All of our animals are pets. You go on most of these other farms, especially these big farms, and animals run from you. Well, sometimes they come to you if you got food. But they ain't tame whatsoever. And my animals, they love me. You go up there and rub their belly and they do a little belly flop for you and lay down and wait for you to rub their belly. This right here, that is beautiful life right there. The circle of life happens on this homestead all the time. Our breeding animals, having babies. Got another mama back here. Try not to wake her up. She's probably feeding her babies too. Look at all of them. Hey, big mama, you feeding the baby's girl? Come here, I'll give you a belly rub. Come here, girl. Come here. Yeah. It's hard being a mama, isn't it? Huh? Is it hard being a mama? Go feed them babies, girl. Them babies coming after you. Go feed them. Good mama. This is why I homestead. You just can't get this in the city, stacked on top of each other. You know, 5 stories high, looking over Atlanta. See a bunch of people running around like a bunch of retards, but that's about it. You live like this, these matters of life and death. You gotta take lives you don't want to take because you've grown attached to them. Of course, we don't take our breeding stock now. But even still, we care for all our animals. So taking any life is not taken lightly. But like I said in the last video, you eat meat, you're eating an animal, whether it's yours or somebody else's. Might as well enjoy it. Might as well enjoy it before that time comes. We sure do. We love our animals. And you know, we thank God, we bless God for every one of them that we harvest. And we just try to breed more than, you know, we obviously breed more than we take, so you know, we are doing a good thing. And everything we grow, from our crops to our trees to, well, I guess not the trees, all trees are probably, I guess, heirloom unless you get some kind of genetically modified stuff. But everything we do is either heirloom, which pertains to the garden, or, all right, sorry about that, what I was saying is everything we raise is either heirloom or heritage breed. You know, heritage obviously goes back to the day, you know, back in the pioneer days. We don't raise anything that was just, you know, like all these commercial pigs that was crossed for, you know, growing meat and growing super big, super quick. That's an American guinea hog, and she is 2 years old, a little bitty old thing. Now they do get much bigger than this, but we 100% grass and hay feed ours, so they grow much slower. I mean, they're a much slower growing pig anyway, but these grow much slower on just grass and hay. These over here, these red pigs we got, those are old spot and mule foot cross, still heritage breed. Everything we do is heritage breed. We've got Dexter cows over there, all our pigs, turkeys, heritage breed. We got what's the blue slate turkeys. So everything we do is either heritage or heirloom. You know, we're trying to go back to our roots, to the pioneer days, and you know, stay true to our roots. And these American guinea hogs, they're extremely rare. The mule foot, they're extremely rare. So I'm trying to give back and you know, raise the heritage breeds and keep them from going extinct, because these two breeds are definitely you know, in danger of going extinct. So that's why I homestead, to save our heritage. Such a good mama, taking care of those little babies. And that's got to be another episode of This Is Why I Homestead. Where else do you get to see this? It's a circle of life right here. I mean, you can't get no closer to the circle of life. Just amazing, fascinating, God-given.